Hi everyone, today we're doing a room on Tryhackme called Dig. So it's talking about a DNS server and we can dig into it. Dig is a command to get data out of a DNS, to get data out of DNS records. And if we give a request to this website, givemeflag.com, well the domain of that, it'll give us a flag. So I'm gonna pretend I don't know how DNS works. So I'm gonna say DNS hack tricks. This is a good website for hacking, so let's put DNS hack tricks and it will talk about pen test and DNS. Just click the first link here, and pretty much you just want to read this, and it'll tell you about like how DNS works. It's pretty much IP addresses to domain names like google.com. They'll have an IP address, and that just translates it for you. So it'll talk about different types of DNS servers, and we'll just keep scrolling down, and we can see this is how you can do some basic DNS commands. And the one we're interested in is here, regular DNS request, because that's what we want to do. So we got the command here, so let's just put it into terminal. So let's just put the IP address here. Get rid of the commented out part. So you get told an IP address and a domain. So I get the IP here, put it here, and put the domain. So we know the domain is givemeflag.com. So if we just put that in, we should get the flag. Put that in, and it'll take a little bit to send a request off. And then we can see we got the flag there. That's just pretty much the room's done. If you don't know about DNS, there's some other rooms as well, I think, talked about here.